we're doing another one in what I call the cheesecake series.
Okay.
It's like a series of books, only a series of recipes. And these fat bombs are cheesecake based, and this one is called the chocolate chip nut seed fat bomb.
Wow.
Because I am a fan of adjectives.
Wow, that's amazing. Let's see. Now, this has some good salt in it.
Yeah. The recipe doesn't say, but I use salted sunflower seeds to roll the balls in.
Really?
Well, you gotta.
Can we edit that out? It sounds weird.
No, it's that you're laughing is what was weird. Look. What? I'm just telling you how to make the recipe.
Okay.
Go.
You're making me cry. Okay. So I have a question. I have a female question.
Uh-oh. This is
Because
always...
you're a woman, right?
I love when
always
he
hate
says
that
that
when
to me.
people say that.
Hey, Karen, you're a woman, right?
Well, I have a female question.
Okay.
So I think there's a big difference between men and women.
There's no editing here.
No. Okay. So
I can't wait to hear
as
this.
far as relationship to diet, women definitely, from my research, like variety.
Oh.
In different foods.
Yes.
Men can pretty much eat the same darn thing every single day of their lives.
I don't think that's true. And men, if you are Italian or you are a foodie, I don't think you'd agree, and you'll have to comment below.
Well, I'm giving a generalized statement again,
You're
right?
making a broad generalization about women.
That's right.
And
they
men.
like variety. And the thing, like, that's why we're making all these different keto bombs,
Well,
or
that's
you're
true.
making, because keep it entertaining. Like, I could pretty much do the same keto bomb every single day.
You eat the same food every single day.
That's right.
Every day,
So
every
I just
meal.
wanted to point out that tiny little difference.
So you think because you eat the same food every single day that all men...
Absolutely. Right, guys? Hey, if you're a guy, press down below and you'll agree with me, right? All right. Well, let's at least show them how to make it.
Okay.